So let's discuss a bit further these practical implications. So number one is facing this, facing family and family karma with great acceptance, not with a resistance. There must be allowance, acceptance, but with detachment. With detachment, because when we resist certain situations, we further make it worse, we further create new karma, and we further, it's like a gridlock. Maybe that's a better way to explain it. Becomes like a gridlock. So instead, we focus on the opposite direction. We want to be more allowing, more accepting, but coming from a place of a detached place. This will support you to step into your power. Very important, because otherwise you will fall into the family karma. It's very clear. This is how it works. So power is very important, because otherwise you just fall into it. You get sucked into it. So then you need to come back to yourself, and it's also very supportive to disassociate. This is very important, to disassociate from the family and the family karma. Why? Why am I saying this? Because family is very close to us. Yes, we have a certain attachment to my mother or my father or my sister or my brother. There is a great attachment, and that pulls you. It like pulls you and drowns you into the family karma. You can see the family karma like a big dark cloud. You get pulled into it back. But when you practice within you disassociation, this is a healthy disassociation. You begin to, it supports you to return back to yourself, your true self, beyond any attachments of my family. And then you begin to see everything for what it is. That's when you know you're not entangled anymore. You may see your father exactly the way he is, from a place of detachment. You may see the mother for what she is, for what she is experiencing as a soul. It still comes from a place of unconditional love and kindness and compassion. But that doesn't mean that you need to be drowning, lost in that family karma. So this is very supportive. When we disassociate, it's like when we step out of the river. Yes? So, okay, another way to explain this. So the family karma is like when you are wet, swimming or struggling in the river. When you disassociate and detach, it's when you work your way out of the river. And you're not drowning or you're not wet anymore, but you're there. You will be actually even more supportive because you're not drowning yourself. So actually being detached will give you much more power to help. It will come out from an unconditional place. When you try to help and you are yourself functioning from your own conditionings and your own fears and your own insecurities, you're only creating more of that. Another part, another practice to implement is your regular meditation, because that is how you strengthen yourself. And this needs to be integrated as a daily practice, once or twice or 3 times or 4 times a day, to meditate, to resolve and burn off the sanchit karma, and that weakens the grip of the Prarabdha karma, including the family-related burdens. Okay, so it's all interlinked, all connected. And to also, yes, be of service and duty, fulfilling your family responsibilities with love and without expectation. Then when you are in yourself, unentangled, yes, detached, you have no expectations of your family. Yes, they may fight with you, they may be not so nice with you, some of them. They may further abandon you or speak badly to you. Whatever your family situation looks like, meet it without expectation. Don't expect anything from them at all. So, of course, what I'm discussing about today is not an easy task, and it will not just like happen like this. It will not. You will be faced with a lot of challenges. But when you open yourself to understand the law of karma, the law of balance, of cause and effect, and how it affects you and family, then you can work your way up. You have to work your way up, otherwise you're stuck. And if you've been stuck for a decade or 2 or 3, isn't it enough by now to realize that you need to make a change? So, small steps at a time is what will bring you to a place that you will regain your power, you will resolve your karmas, your entanglements with family, eventually begin to help them from a true place. And in the midst of it, yes, you can be free.